Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been 2.5 months that I've installed the solar setup for my house and everything is working fine. It was working fine till today morning, and from morning the UTL Gamma Plus solar inverter is stopped working and entire power supply is disconnected to the house. I just came and checked the inverter. It was showing an error called E6, and in the manual it is mentioned that relay problem. So I decided to call up the raise a complaint with UTL website, and after raising an official complaint, the UTL technician visited my place within 3 hours. And then after checking the inverter thoroughly, the technician identified that the relay system is completely gone and needs to be replaced. Luckily, he had also bought an relay system, spare relay system with him, and he changed the relay system. You must be seeing the video now, which is running in the background. That is trying to remove the existing relay system board, and he'll be replacing it with an alternative relay system that he has bought it. And it is really surprising that it is a brand new system that I have installed just before 2.5 months, and so fast the relay system is gone. Relay system is a very important component inside the inverter. This handles the power fluctuation, or in terms of switching on the mains or any kind of mechanism, switchover mechanism that is handled by the relay system. And within 2.5 months a new inverter is facing this issue is really surprising to me. And luckily the warranty is there, so there is no charges that they're going to charge me, and they're just changing the relay system, and it will be working fine, hope so. Let's see once the relay system is installed, and if it is restoring back or any other issue is coming back or not. Let's wait and see. Other than this relay issue today, I have not faced any kind of issues till date. It's been 2.5 months and everything was working smooth, and the operation was very smooth and fine. And also this inverter is really working fine. It was working fine by generating around minimum 3 units per day. It was generating on an average, if I have checked in this last 60 plus days. And yeah, looks like almost the work is completed. The relay change is completed, and the technician is assuring that there won't be any issues hereafter and it should work fine. And the warranty is for 2 years, so in case of any other complaints again, I can call back and they will not be charging me anything, and they'll come and fix this and give. So just in case if you guys come across with this kind of issues like E6 error, you will have to definitely call up, raise a complaint on the UTL Gamma Plus official website, and the technician will visit the place, and then they will replace it, or whatever is required they will do it, and it will start again working as usual, just like same which is happening with me today. The reason for me posting this video on the YouTube is the moment I saw the error like E6, I first what I did is I checked the YouTube for looking for the proper information as to what exactly happens when an E6 error is shown in the inverter, but I couldn't find any video at all, and thought if anyone is facing this issue in future, that might be helpful for them, that they can raise a complaint, and the people within warranty means the company will send a technician who will replace it and give without any cost additionally. So that is the reason for this video. If you have liked this video and useful for you, please do like the video and subscribe to channel if you have not already done. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been 2.5 months that I've installed the solar setup for my house, and everything is working fine. It was working fine till today morning.